Hello, and welcome to my Tech Accelerator 2023 project, Tabstronaut, a VS Code extension that allows you to group, retrieve, and restore tab groups. So to start off with, let's open a few editor tabs. And if we go to the Tabstronaut extension, we can add tabs various ways. One way is by clicking this plus button, saying add to new group. We'll call it group 1, give it a color. And we can see all three editor tabs have been added to this group. We can close all the active tabs and restore them by pressing this restore button. We can also restore one at a time. That's what we wanted. And we can also close from individual tabs from the tab group. We can also then delete the whole tab group if we wanted to. Next, I'm going to show key bindings. So let's create two new tab groups. Let me show another way we can add is from right-clicking a tab, add to tab group, new group small tab. Let's make it blue. And then now I'll show that if we press close all our groups, and if we press Control-Alt-1, it'll open all the tabs in the first group. Control-Alt-2, open all the tabs in the second group. Control-Alt-A will also open the tab context menu. And I could make, I don't know, another group 3. Awesome. We can then also edit our group if we wanted to. Give it a new color. And again, we can close groups, and I could add an individual tab to a group by clicking this plus icon. Thank you for this quick demo, and have a lovely day.